and Bonbon here, and okay, so I just figured this out today. Okay, so don't judge or anything. Okay, so if you go into here, and if we press it, it makes different sounds. Like if I were to press this button, if I were to press this button, the B button, that's just a regular one. A. I guess those are all the same. And that one makes different noises. Let's pressing that one. Okay, and I'm gonna press this one. Same. Well, sorry, I have kind of a fever a little bit. Well, not really a fever, but kind of sick a little bit. But yeah, that's it, guys. Well, peace out.